Good morning, students. Last class we have studied the problems on the chain rule. Today we are going to start implicit function. Derivative of implicit functions. Derivative on implicit functions. Derivative on implicit functions. What do you mean by the implicit function? The problems which I studied in the last class was explicit. Implicit function. The function given in the form y is equal to f of x. Y is equal to f of x is called. Last class ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ? y is equal to given function we are taking as a y is equal to, isn't it? ಅದನ್ನ explicit ಅಂತೀವಿ. is called explicit function. Is called explicit function. But the function in the form f of x comma y is equal to k. F of x comma y f of x comma y is equal to k is called implicit. Is called implicit function. Is called implicit function. First one, find dy by dx if x cube plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube is equal to 81. X cube plus x square plus xy square plus y cube is equal to 0. This is a given question. Write the given question. X cube plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube is equal to 81. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. What is the derivative of x cube? We have to apply the formula d by dx of x raised to n. What is the derivative of d by dx of x raised to n? N x raised to n minus 1. So the derivative of x cube will be n plus, we have to replace 3 into x raised to 3 minus 1. It is nothing but what? 2. So derivative of the x cube, is or d by dx of x cube plus d by dx of x square y plus d by dx of xy square plus d by dx of y cube is equal to d by dx of 81. What is the derivative of x cube? 3x square plus, here you have to use the product rule. What is a product rule? Keep the u function as it is, differentiate the second function. or dv by dx plus, now keep the v as it is, differentiate the u function, it becomes du by dx. Keep the first function as it is. What is the derivative of y? So yesterday we have done the problems, isn't it? Y derivative will be dy by dx into dy by dx plus, now you keep y as it is. Differentiate the x square. What is the derivative of x square? Go through the formula sheet. Derivative of x square will be 2x. Il 1 kammi madi. 2 into x raised to 1. Plus, again here also you have to use the product rule. Keep the first function as it is. Differentiate the second function. What is a y square derivative? What is x square derivative? 2x. What is y square derivative? 2y. What is a y derivative? You ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು y square ಗೆ power ಗೆ differentiate ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. Now you differentiate for y. What is y derivative? dy by dx plus, now keep the y square as it is. ಇವಾಗ y square ಹಾಗೆ ಇಡಿ, x ಗೆ differentiate ಮಾಡಿ. What is the derivative of x? Derivative of x is 1 plus y cube. What is a y cube derivative? 3y square. 3y square. Next we have to differentiate for y. What is a y derivative? dy by dx is equal to, what is 81 derivative? 81 is constant. Constant derivative is 0. Now you group the dy by dx terms. ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ dy by dx ಇದೆಯೋ ಅದನ್ನ one group ಮಾಡಿ. One term, 2 and 3 terms are having dy by dx. Take out dy by dx as common. So left terms x square. Next here plus 2xy. In the third term plus 3y square. 3y square. Shift the rest of the terms to the RHS. In the RHS you are having 0. So non dy by dx terms shift to the RHS. Here you are having non dy by dx terms, shift it. It becomes minus 3x square minus 2xy minus y square. So dy by dx is equal to, take out the minus common, 3x square plus 2xy plus y square divided by, shift to the denominator, x square plus 2xy plus 3y square. This is required dy by dx. Next, second question. Second one, find dy by dx if sin square x plus cos square y is equal to k, where k is constant. K is constant. Write down the question. Sin square x plus cos square y is equal to k. What is the derivative of sin square? First power na differentiate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Question na x square ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. What is the x square derivative? d by dx of x square. d by dx of x square is 2x. What is the derivative of sin x? Derivative of sin x is cos x. So first differentiate the x square ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. X square derivative is 2x means sin x. 2 sin x into, now you have to differentiate the sin x. sin x ಗೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ cos x. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಇಸ್ 2x. again we have to differentiate the sin x. sin x derivative is cos x plus, again assume the question as x square. x square derivative is 2 cos y. What is a cos y derivative? Minus sin y. What is a y derivative? dy by dx. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಮಿಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ x derivative will be always 1. What is a constant derivative? 0. K is constant. Now you separate the dy by dx. 2 minus 2 cos y into sin y into dy by dx is equal to minus 2 sin x into cos x. minus 2 sin x into cos x. So dy by dx equals minus 2 sin x into cos x divided by 2 sin y into cos y. So don't cancel the 2. It is in the form of 2 sin a into cos a. Can be written as sin 2a. Here it becomes sin 2x divided by sin 2y. Just we are using the formula 2 sin a into cos a can be written as sin 2a. Next, one, find dy by dx if xy plus y square is equal to tan x plus y. tan x plus y. Find dy by dx if x plus y square is equal to tan x. Differentiate with respect to x. We are differentiating each and every term. d by dx of xy, d by dx of y square, d by dx of tan x plus d by dx of y. What is the derivative of xy? So x ivannu y ಗೆ dy by dx ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬಾರ್ದು. You have to use the product rule. Here we are having a two function. Product rule. What is the product rule? u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. So keep the x as it is. Find the derivative of y. dy by dx. Plus now keep the y as it is. Find the derivative of x. Derivative of x is 1. Plus what is y square derivative? 2y. What is y derivative? dy by dx. What is tan x derivative? Go to the formula sheet. Secant square x. What is x derivative? 1. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು x ಇದ್ರೆ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ x ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 1. ಪ್ಲಸ್ Derivative of y, dy by dx. Now group the dy by dx as one terms. Dy by dx, dy by dx, we are having on 3 dy by dx terms. Dy by dx x plus 2y. If we shift the dy by dx to LHS, it becomes minus 1. Minus 1 secant square x. Secant square x. Shift the y to the RHS minus y. So the required answer is dy by dx is equal to secant square x minus y divided by x plus 2y minus 1. X plus 2y minus 1. Next, find dy by dx if x by a whole raised to n plus y by b whole raised to n is equal to 2 at a comma b. Write down the given function. X by a whole raised to n plus y by b whole raised to n is equal to 2. Differentiate it. Differentiate with respect to x. So what is it? Assume as an x raised to n. What is x raised to n derivative? D by dx of x raised to n. N x raised to n minus 1. N x raised to n minus 1. N x by a whole raised to n minus 1 into, till now we differentiated just x by a. We differentiated n, we have to differentiate x by a. What is x by a derivative? 1 by a ಹಾಗೆ ಇಡಿ, x derivative is 1 plus again differentiate y by b whole raised to n. N y by b whole raised to n minus 1. You differentiated the power. Now we have to differentiate y by b into 1 by b. Y derivative is dy by dx. Dy by dx. Constant derivative is 0. Constant derivative is 0. Now separate the dy by dx. N by b into y by b whole raised to n minus 1 into dy by dx equals n by a y by b whole raised to n minus 1 n gets cancelled. So dy by dx equals, shift the b, becomes minus b by a y by b whole raised to n minus 1 divided by x by a. Sorry, it is x by a whole raised to n minus 1. Keep the x by a whole raised to n minus 1 as it is. Shift the y by b to denominator. Y by b whole raised to n minus 1. In the given question, at a comma b ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. It means this will be x and this will be y. So now you replace the x by a minus b by a. Replace x by a by a whole raised to n minus 1 divided by b by b whole raised to n minus 1. So 1 raised to anything will be 1 itself. So the answer is b by a minus b by a. Next. Next one. Find dy by dx if ax plus by square is equal to cos y. Read on the given question, ax plus by square is equal to cos y. Differentiate with respect to x. So keep the a as it is, constant. Derivative of x is 1. ಬರೀ a ಇದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಬರೀ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. The derivative will be 0. Here we are having in the product form a x. Keep the a as it is. Derivative of x is 1. Plus b is constant. Keep the b as it is. Derivative of y square. Let's differentiate the power. X square derivative 2x. T square derivative 2t. Similarly, y square derivative will be 2y. What is the derivative of y? dy by dx is equal to, now differentiate the cos. What is the cos derivative? Minus sin x. If it is t, minus sin t. If it is cos y, minus sin y. What is the y derivative? dy by dx. Now group the dy terms. d 2by dy by dx minus, if it shift it becomes plus sin y dy by dx is equal to minus a. So take out the dy by dx as in common. 2by plus sin y is equal to minus a. So dy by dx is equal to minus a divided by 2by plus sin y. 2by minus plus sin y. Next one. Find dy by dx sin square y plus cos xy is equal to k. Sin square y plus cos xy is equal to k. Sin square y plus cos y equals k. Differentiate with respect to x. Assume the question as x square. First differentiate the power. X square derivative ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 2 sin y. Now you differentiate the sin. Cos y. Now you differentiate the y. dy by dx. First differentiate the power 2 sin y. Now differentiate the sin cos y. Differentiate the y dy by dx. Plus, first differentiate the cos. What is the derivative of cos? Minus sin x. ಇಲ್ಲಿ xy ಇದೆ, write down xy minus sin xy into, what is the derivative of xy? If two functions, we have to use the product rule. So product rule for the xy. Keep the x as it is, differentiate the y, dy by dx plus, now keep the y as it is, differentiate the x. What is the derivative of x? 1. Now differentiate the k. Derivative of k is 0. Group the dy by dx terms. dy by dx. 2 sin y into cos y can be written as what? Sin 2y into dy by dx minus sin xy x into dy by dx is equal to minus y. Take out dy by dx common. Sin 2y minus x into sin xy is equal to minus y. Is equal to minus y. Then dy by dx equals minus y divided by sin 2y minus x into sin xy, which is the required answer. Next, find dy by dx if 2x plus 3y is equal to sin x. Read on the question. 2x plus 3y equals sin x. Differentiate with respect to x. 2 into, what is the derivative of x? 1. Plus 3 into, what is the derivative of y? dy by dx. What is the derivative of sin x? Cos x. So separate the dy by dx. 3 into dy by dx is equal to cos x minus 2. So dy by dx equals cos x minus 2 divided by 3. Next, if e raised to x plus e raised to y is equal to e raised to x plus y, prove that dy by dx, dy by dx is equal to minus e raised to y minus x, minus e raised to y minus x. Write down the question. E raised to x plus e raised to y is equal to e raised to x plus y. Differentiate it. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. What is the derivative of e raised to x? Derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. Go through the formula sheet. ನೀವು formula sheet ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ what is the derivative of e raised to x. Formula sheet ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿ, it will be easy for you. Derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. What is the derivative of e raised and x derivative is 1. E raised to x derivative is e raised to x. X derivative is 1. E raised to y derivative is e raised to y. What is y derivative? dy by dx is equal to, what is e raised to x plus y derivative? E raised to x plus y into, what is the x derivative? 1. What is the y derivative? dy by dx. E raised to x plus e raised to y into dy by dx is equal to, you multiply e raised to x plus y plus e raised to x plus y into dy by dx, isn't it? Next, e raised to x plus e raised to y into dy by dx is equal to, e raised to x plus y can be written as what? E raised to x plus e raised to y plus, again e raised to x can be written as e raised to x plus e raised to y into dy by dx. Into dy by dx. Let us group the dy by dx terms. E raised to y dy by dx minus, shift this, e raised to x plus e raised to y into dy by dx is equal to leftover terms, e raised to x plus e raised to y. Shift the e raised to x to the RHS. It becomes minus e raised to x plus e raised to x minus e raised to x gets cancelled. So plus e raised to y minus e raised to y gets cancelled. So the leftover term is minus e raised to x into dy by dx is equal to e raised to y. So dy by dx is equal to e raised to y divided by minus e raised to x. It can be written as dy by dx equals minus e raised to y minus x, minus e raised to y minus x, which is the required answer. So put the star. ಇದರ star point ಯಾವುದು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು e raised to x plus y ನ you have to replace the given question. Question ತರ ನೀವು replace ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ you will never get the answer. Only this is a star point. Next one. Next question. If root of x by y plus root of y by x is equal to a, prove that dy by dx is equal to y by x. dy by dx is equal to y by x. This is a given question. Write down the given question. Root of x by y plus root of y by x is equal to a. Squaring on both sides. Root of x by y plus root of y by x whole square is equal to a. So root of x a square, it is in the form of a plus b the whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. A square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to a square. Root and square gets cancel. So the left term is x by y plus y by x plus 2 is equal to a square. Now you differentiate. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Here we have to use the quotient rule. What is the quotient rule? D by dx of u by v is equal to v square v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx. Use the quotient rule. For the first one, denominator whole square, keep the denominator as it is, derivative of the numerator, minus numerator as it is, derivative of the denominator, plus go to second term, denominator whole square, keep the denominator as it is, derivative of numerator, minus numerator as it is, derivative of the denominator, plus derivative of 2 is 0. A square is 0. So y square, y into, what is the derivative of x? Derivative of x is 1. Minus x into, what is the derivative of y? dy by dx plus x square, keep the x as it is. What is the derivative of y? dy by dx minus y into, what is the derivative of x? 1, which is equal to 0. Next, we have to cancel x square as well as the y square. So multiply throughout by xy square. Multiply throughout by xy square. So if you multiply xy square, x square y square into y minus x into dy by dx divided by y square plus x square y square x into dy by dx minus y divided by x square equals 0. Y square gets cancelled. X is equal to 0. X square gets cancelled. So the left term, x square into y minus x into dy by dx plus y square into x into dy by dx minus y. So if you multiply, it becomes x square y minus x cube into dy by dx plus xy square into dy by dx minus y cube Separate the dy by dx. Take out the dy by dx as common. So the left term is minus x cube plus xy square is equal to, if you shift, it becomes plus y cube is equal to 0 minus xy square. Now dy by dx is equal to y cube minus xy square divided by xy square minus x cube dy by dx. Take out y common. So the left term will be, take out I'm sorry, here it is x square y, x square y. It is, sorry, x square y. If you take the y as common, the left term will be y square minus x square divided by, take out x common, the left term will be y square minus x square, which gets cancelled. So dy by dx is equal to y by x. So you try out some of the problems. First one, y plus sin y is equal to cos x. The heading will be find dy by dx if. And the second one, x minus y is equal to pi. X minus y is equal to pi. X square plus xy plus y square is equal to 100. xy plus y square is equal to tan x plus y. Tan x plus y. These are the homework problems. So last problem, find derivative of f of x is equal to tan inverse of x, assuming it exists. So let y is equal to tan inverse of x. I had given the formula for tan inverse. Now we are deriving the formula for the tan inverse. Shift the tan, it becomes tan y is equal to x. Now you differentiate with respect to x. Tan y derivative is secant square y. Y derivative is dy by dx. What is the derivative of x? 1. So dy by dx is equal to 1 by secant square y. So dy by dx is equal to, the formula secant square can be written as 1 plus tan square y, basic formula. So dy by dx is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus, what is tan y? Tan y is nothing but x square. It's nothing but x square. So the derivative of tan inverse is 1 by 1 plus x square. So this completes the implicit function. Thank you.